Hello everyone, today we are going to start exercise 3.2. First question, solve the following equations by substitution method. X plus y is equals to 14, x minus y is equals to 4. So in this method, we have to find the value of x or y from the first equation and then putting this value in the second equation to find the value of the another variable. So from x plus y is equals to 14. X is equals to 14 minus y. Now putting this value in the second equation, we will have 14 minus y is equals to 4. Minus y is equals to minus 2y. Then taking this 14 to the right hand side, we will have minus 14. That is 4 minus 14 is equals to minus 10. Now dividing minus 2 by minus 10. So we will have y is equals to 5. Now putting this value of y is equals to 5 in the equation number 1. So we will have x is equals to 14 minus 5, that is 9. So x is 9 and y is 5. Second part, s minus t is equals to 3. S upon 3 plus t upon 2 is equals to 6. Now from the first equation, find the value of s. So we will have s is equals to 3 plus t from first equation. Now substituting this value of s in the second, we will get 3 plus t upon 3 plus t upon 2 is equals to 6. By taking LCM, we will have this equation. After solving, we will get t is equals to 6. So s is equals to 3 plus t becomes s is equals to 3 plus 6, that is 9. So s is 9 and t is 6. Third part, 3x minus y is equals to 3, 9x minus 3y is equals to 9. Now from the first equation, find the value of x. We will have x is equals to 3 plus y upon 3. Then putting this value of x in the second equation, we will get 9 into 3 plus y upon 3 minus 3y is equals to 9. After solving, we will get 9 is equals to 9. This is always true. So given pairs has infinite many solutions because the lines are coincident. These two equations are the coincident equations, that is a1 upon a2 is equals to 1 upon 3, b1 upon b2 is equals to 1 upon 3, c1 upon c2 also equals to 1 upon 3, that is lines are coincident. So they have infinite many solutions. When x is 0, y is equals to minus 3, and when y is 0, x is equals to 1. These are the one of the solution of the given equations. Similarly, there are many other solutions possible for these two equations. Similarly, in the fourth part, find the value of x from the first equation and then put this value in the second equation. We will get this equation, and after solving this equation, we will have the value of y, that is y is equals to 3. Now at last, putting this value in this equation, that is in the equation number 3. So we will get the value of x. X is equals to 2. In the fifth part also, find the value of x from the first equation. So x is equals to minus root 3 into y upon root 2. Now put this value of x in the second equation. We will get root 3 into x minus root 8 y is equals to 0. After solving, we will get y is equals to 0. Now put this value of y is equals to 0 in this equation. So we will have x also equals to 0. So in this question, x is equals to 0 and y is equals to 0. Sixth part. In this question, first of all, simplify these two equations by taking LCM. The LCM of 2 and 3 is 6. So multiply both the equations on both sides by 6. So after multiplying both sides by 6, you will get 9x minus 10y is equals to minus 12. This is our first equation. 2x plus 3y is equals to 13. This is our second equation. Now find the value of x from the first equation. So we will have x is equals to minus 12 plus 10y upon 9. Now put this value of x in the second equation. We will get the value of y after solving. Y is equals to 3. So put the y is equals to 3. Now put y is equals to 3 in third equation. So we will get x is equals to minus 12 plus 10 into 3 upon 9. After solving, we will get x is equals to 2. Therefore, x is 2 and y is 3. Second question, solve 2x plus 3y equals to 11 and 2x minus 4y equals to minus 24. Hence find the value of m for which y is equals to mx plus 3. Now, from the first equation, we will have x is equals to 11 minus 3y upon 2. Now, substitute this value of x in the second equation. We will get the value of y, that is y is equals to 5. Now, put y is equals to 5 in this equation. Instead of y, put 5. So we will get x equals to minus 2. X is equals to minus 2 and y is equals to 5. Now put this value of x and y in y is equals to mx plus 3. Then we will get m is equals to minus 1. Third question, form the pair of linear equations and find their solutions by substitution method. First part is, the difference between two numbers is 26. And one number is 3 times the other number. Find the numbers. Let x and y be two numbers such that x is greater than y. So according to question, difference is 26. So x minus y is equals to 26. And one number is 3 times the other. So x is equals to 3y. These two are our linear equations. Now from the first equation, find the value of x and put it in the second equation. So x is equals to 26 plus y from the first equation. Now substitute this value of x in the second equation. We will get 26 plus y instead of x. 26 plus y is equals to, as it is, 3y as it is. Now after solving this equation, we will get the value of y, that is y is equals to 13. Now put this value of 13, y is equals to 13 in this equation. So we will get the value of x. X is equals to 26 plus y. X is equals to 26 plus 13. 26 plus 13 equals to 39. So x is 39 and y is 13 are the two required numbers. Second part, larger of the two supplementary angles exceeds the smaller by 18 degrees. Find them. Let x and y be the two angles and x is greater than y. Since we know that sum of the supplementary angles is 180, so x plus y equals to 180. And also it's given that larger angle exceeds the smaller by 18. It means x is equals to y plus 18. Now from the first equation, find the value of x. Put this value of x in the second one. So we will have y plus 18 plus y equals to 180. After solving, we will get y equals to 81 degree. Therefore, x is equals to y plus 18 degree becomes x equals to 81 plus 18, that is x equals to 99 degree. Therefore, the larger angle is 99 and the smaller one is 81. Part, coach of a cricket team buys 7 bat and 6 balls for rupees 3,800 and later she buys 3 bat and 5 balls at a cost of 1,750. Find the cost of each bat and each ball. Now let one bat cost rupees x and one ball cost rupees y. If one bat costs rupees x, then 7 bat will cost 7x. 3 bat will cost 3x. And 1 ball cost y, so 6 ball will cost 6y. And 5 balls will cost 5y. Since the sum of the 7 bat and 6 ball equals to 3,800 and sum of the 8 bats and 5 balls equals to 1,750. So these two are our required equations, equation number 1 and 2. From the first, find the value of x. Then put this value of x in the second equation. We will have the value of y. Y equals to 50. Now y is equals to 50. So x will become 500. After solving, we will get x is equals to 500. So one bat cost rupees 500 and one ball will cost rupees 50. Fourth part, the taxi charges in the city consist of a fixed charge together with the charge for the distance covered. For a distance of 10 km, the charge paid is 105 rupees and for a journey of 15 km, charge paid is 155. What are the fixed charge and the charge per kilometer? How much does the person have to pay for traveling a distance of 25 kilometer? The taxi charges a fixed charge and a charge per kilometer. Let rupees X be the fixed charge and rupees Y be the charge per kilometer. That is, for traveling a 2 kilometer you have to pay 2Y. For 5 kilometer you have to pay 5Y. For 10 kilometers you have to pay 10Y. And for 15 you have to pay 15Y. According to question, for a distance of 10 kilometer, charge paid is rupees 105. So x plus 10y equals to 105. For 15 kilometer, charge paid is 155. That is x plus 15y equals to 155. These two are our required equations. Now to find the value of x and y, find x from the first equation and put it in the second equation. So we will have x equals to 105 minus 10y from the first one. Now put this value of x in the second equation. We will have 105 minus 10y plus 15y equals to 155. After solving, we will have y equals to 10. Now put this value of y equals to 10 in this equation. Then we will get the value of x, that is y, x is equals to 5. So the fixed charge is rupees 5 and charge per kilometer is rupees 10. Now for a distance of 25 kilometers, person have to pay x plus 25y, that is a fixed charge and a charge for 25 kilometers. X is 5 and y is 10. 5 plus 25 into 10, after solving we will have 255. That is a person have to pay rupees 255 for 25 kilometer of distance. Fifth part is, a fraction becomes 9 upon 11 if 2 is added to both numerator and denominator. And a fraction becomes 5 upon 6 if 3 is added to both numerator and denominator. Now, let x upon y be the given fraction. So, if we add 2 to both numerator and denominator, it will become 9 upon 11. And if we add 3 to both numerator and denominator, it will become 5 upon 6. These two are our required equations. Now, after simplifying these two equations, we will get equation third and fourth. Now find the value of x from the third equation. We will have x equals to 9y minus 4 upon 11. Substitute this value of x in the fourth one. We will get 6, 9y minus 4 upon 11 minus 5y plus 3 equals to 0. After the simplification of this equation, we will get y equals to 9. If y is 9, put this value of y here, then we will get x equals to 7. Therefore, the fraction is x upon y, that is x is 7, y is 9. The given fraction is 7 upon 9. Let the present age of Jacob be x years and the present age of his son be y years. So, after 5 years, the age of Jacob will be x plus 5 and after 5 years the age of his son will be y plus 5. It's given that after 5 years Jacob's age will be 3 times that of his son. So we will get the equation number first. And 5 years ago the age of Jacob was x minus 5 and the age of his son was y minus 5. So it's given that 5 years ago age of Jacob was 7 times that of his son. So after solving we will get the equation number 2. From the first equation we have x equals to 10 plus 3y. Put this value of x in the second equation. We will get y equals to 10. So x will become 40. So the present age of Jacob is 40 years and the age of his son is 10 years.